Hi, this is Monica of Knitted Wishes. In this video, I'm going to show you how to bind off knitwise. Insert your right hand needle into the first stitch knitwise, from front to back, and knit it. Take it off the left hand needle, insert your right hand needle into the next stitch, knit it, take it off the left hand needle, and pass the first stitch over the second stitch. One more time, and again pass the first stitch over the second stitch. Make sure your bind off is not too tight or too loose. It will take a bit of practice. And continue until the end. And you can see a chain forming at the top. And now we have one more stitch left on the left hand needle. We're going to knit that last stitch, and we're going to pass the first stitch over the last stitch. And now you can cut the tail so that it's about 6 inches long. Pull it through, and you're ready to weave it in. Thank you for watching.